Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for anyone looking to step up their online game. Creating a professional-looking social media banner using Canva. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Whether it's for your YouTube channel, Facebook page, or Twitter profile, a great banner can make a huge first impression. So, let's get started. First things first, head over to Canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll see a search bar right at the top. This is your best friend. Just type in the kind of banner you want to create, like YouTube channel art or Facebook cover. Canva is brilliant because it already has the dimensions perfectly sized for each platform, so you don't have to worry about getting it wrong. After you search, you'll see thousands of pre-made templates. This is where the fun begins. You can scroll through and find a design that catches your eye and fits your brand's vibe. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away. We're going to customize it. Click on a template you like to open it in the editor. Now, let's make it your own. Everything on the template is editable. To change the text, just double-click on it and type in your own channel name or tagline. You can change the font, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Want to change the background image? Easy. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Uploads tab. You can upload your own photos or logo right here. Just drag and drop your uploaded image onto the background to replace the existing one. You can also explore Canva's massive library of elements. Click on the Elements tab to find graphics, shapes, and icons to add some extra flair. Just search for what you need, like a subscribe button icon, and drag it onto your design. You can resize and reposition anything just by clicking and dragging. Play around with the colors to match your brand. A good tip is to keep your design clean and not too cluttered. Make sure the most important information is centered, so it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to download it. Look for the share button in the top right corner, then click download. I recommend choosing the PNG format for the best quality. And that's it. You've just created a stunning, custom social media banner. Now you can upload it directly to your platform and watch your profile instantly look more professional. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.